Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to customize your home screen on iOS or iPhone. So here what you see on the screen is my home screen right now. So if you want to customize the home screen, it's quite easy. So let's say you want to arrange this application's positions, so you just need to go click the applications that you want to change the positions to and go click and hold and give a little movement of the application. So let's say I will let to try move this shortcuts. So I will let to move this into here. So you just need to go click and hold and give a little bit of movement until the application starts to be shaking. And now you just need to go click it again, the documents that you want to move, and then after that you just need to just start to move the document into the specific area that you want to place them, and it will be works for the rest of the application. So you can also creating the folders. So the folders or files means that square that containing several applications on it. By just go drag the application, one application, and drag it into the another applications right on the top, and then you will start to creating new files on your folders. You can do for the rest, you can also do a multiple drag by click one application and go click another application. Okay, and after that you just need to add into the files, and after that you just need to go click the blank space on the screen, and whenever you're done you just need to go click done. And if you want to like export back the files on the application on the files here, you just need to do the same, click and hold and shakes, and then open the file. And now you just need to go click the file, and then after that go another quick click to drag them and to bring them out of the files. You just need to drag it into the other part, and now you're done. So that's the way I have, guys, how to customize the home screen on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next tutorial.